We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP P2015. The first thing I like to do, so when I am adding paper into my tray, I don't want to just put it in there and go about my day. If you do that, a lot of times, if you just put it in there, this is not completely even, so then the printer will try to pick up the paper that's further out versus the top paper and result causing a jam. So what I like to do is take my new paper, mix it with my old paper, and fan it out. Especially with us living in Oklahoma, the humidity and condensation in the air can make the pages stick together. So fan it out, then align it all together, and then stick it in your tray. You should be good to go. Another thing is, you want to make sure that these tabs are adjusted to the correct paper size that you're using. If it's not, it could either be too loose or too tight and result causing a jam because the rollers will be unable to pick up the paper. There's also these little max level indicators. You don't want to feel over that. Then again, if you feel over it, then it's going to be too tight for the rollers to pick up the paper and result causing a jam. So that is our recommendation. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.